We're making a Betty Crocker angel food cake from a mix this morning. Making angel food cake is easy from a mix, but even if you're just using a mix, you still need a very special pan to make an angel food cake. Traditionally, angel food cakes are baked in two kinds of pans, either a long loaf pan like this or a round ring with a hole in the center. But both kinds of pans have special feet designed into the pan, so when you turn it over to cool, it's going to be up above the surface so air can get in and help. Angel food cakes have a lot less sugar than other cakes, and so that's why you see that as an option a lot of times, because some people, maybe they have diabetes or have to watch their sugar very closely, it's a nice option. If you're using a Betty Crocker mix, the only ingredient you'll need is 1 1/3 cups water. Add in the mix and 1 1/3 cup water. Mix this for only 30 seconds on medium. Make sure you scrape the sides. You can see how frothy it is after just 30 seconds. Mix it on low speed for 30 seconds. Then you might want to stop and scrape the sides. And then 1 full minute on medium speed. Preheat the oven to 350 unless you're using a non-stick pan, different than what I have, and then it's 325. Pouring it into the ungreased angel food cake pan, sometimes referred to as a bundt pan. Preheat your oven to 350. Our size angel food loaf pan is not on the instructions on the back of the Betty Crocker box, but the cook time should be about 45 minutes. Put your rack down low enough that there's plenty of room for that to billow up as it bakes. At the end of our 45 minutes, we're checking to be sure it's very dark golden brown with no gooiness in any of the cracks. That looks like there's a tiny bit of goo. I'm gonna make sure, doubly sure, and let this go another 5 minutes. Now we've darkened up just a little more, and that looks very dry. You do not want to underbake this. It does need to be very dark golden, darker than a regular cake. So this is looking good. Immediately you want to turn a loaf pan over on its side until it's completely cool, or a bundt pan would be upside down, sometimes on a bottle. Here's how you would do it on a bottle, upside down, or on the side like we did. After it's thoroughly cooled, then you take a knife and separate it from the pan before turning it over. Turn it over. Often it'll come out when you shake it, but this time it's taking some extra shaking. We're gonna go around with a fork now. All right, we're gonna try this again. Shake. There it comes. I can feel it. There it is. Slice through. Wow, is that light and fluffy. And you can put whatever you want on top. We are gonna put on a little strawberry syrup and whipped cream. Whoops, our caramel whipped cream got a little out of control. But we do wanna put this maraschino cherry on top. It's time to try the angel food cake. It is very fluffy. And I realize we added more sugar on here, but wow, is that good.